Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video lecture on preposition. In this lesson, we'll break down prepositions in a simple and easy to understand way, so you can confidently use them in your sentences. So, let's dive right in. To begin, let's define what prepositions are. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. They help us understand the location, direction, time, and relationships between different elements. For example, in the sentence "the book is on the table," the word "on" is a preposition that tells us where the book is located. Now let's go over some common examples, prepositions. In, the cat is in the box. Under, the ball rolled under the bed. On, the painting hangs on the wall. Between, the sandwich is between two slices of bread. Above, the sun shines brightly above the clouds. Behind, the car is parked behind the building. Prepositions can be used in various scenarios. Let's explore a few. Location: use prepositions to describe where something is. For instance, the keys are beside the door. Time: prepositions can also help us express when something happened. For example, we have a meeting at 3 o'clock. Direction: prepositions show the way something is moving. Like, she walked towards the park. Relationship: prepositions explain connections between different elements, such as he is friend with Sarah. Now let's address some common mistakes and provide tips for correct usage. Incorrect: I am good in soccer. Correct: I am good at soccer. Incorrect: she's waiting since an hour. Correct: she's been waiting for an hour. Incorrect: the book is laying on the table. Correct: the book is lying on the table. Let's practice using prepositions in sentences. I'll provide a few sentences and you can pause the video to think about the correct preposition to use. The cat is the roof. The pen is the notebook. We have a party, Friday. The children are playing, the park. Congratulations! You have now learned the basics of prepositions. Remember, prepositions are essential for clear and accurate communication. By mastering them, you will be able to convey your ideas more efficiently. Keep practicing and paying attention to prepositions in everyday conversations, and soon you will use them naturally. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Subscribe for more language lessons. Follow us on social media.